Hi there, we're going to show you how to do our pleat crown for our ballet exam session. So you're going to start with your dancer's hair, just make sure it's not tuggy, brush it all the way through, and then you want to split your dancer's hair in two and make two high bunches. And then I'll speed this part up. A crown. This way so you can see. So you want to make sure that your baubles are quite tight, they're not loose, because that's the way to keep the hairstyle super secure. After you've got two high bunches here, which is directly in line with above their ear, you're going to pleat both sides and secure them with two smaller elastics. Splitting into three and just crossing over like a normal braid, making sure this is super tight and there's no bits sticking out. Alright, now from here you want to get some of your pins. Got a little box coming. And you're going to take a few of them and you're going to pin the pleats around each other. I would always recommend these bun pins rather than Kirby's, as they're easier to thread the hair through, up and down. And these have two wiggles on either side rather than the straight line. So you're going to take one pleat, cross it up, tuck it round, and you're going to secure it in here with a pin, making sure it's super secure. And this part's going to tuck underneath, and you can just secure that in as well. And you do the same with the other side, so this one will go across, down, and you'll tuck it in up here. Make sure that your bauble is fully hidden on both sides. There we are. Alright, let's try it. Just give us a little twirl. And after that, you want to just take your comb and hairspray and spray underneath, getting all these wispy bits up. And then comb through it so it goes up in line. Super neat. And then on exam day, we'll pop in a little matching ribbon here. Just give the front a spray soon. Turn around and spray it. Scooch over that. And scrape it all back. Super neat and tidy. Just turn around for us. Give us a bend. And again. Just like this. I'm going to show you on some long hair now as well with Miss Sophie. Alright, so Sophie's got a lot longer hair and a lot thicker hair than Freya, so I'm going to quickly do it a fast speed so you can see exactly how to do it. Crossing it over, I would do a pin in there all the way round, and then a pin about here, and start to just pull it down and tuck it under. When it starts to get in here, I just push this bit through and then close it off at the top and then at the bottom. And this one the same, push it all the way round, do a pin at this side to keep it in place. And then a pin with it tucked under. And another one at that end. Let's turn this one. There we go. And then finally, we'll just give it a squish with some hairspray. And the front. And then brush it up with our comb.